I joined Bowman Young Professionals to make connections with my peers, to learn a bit more about the industry, and to recognize faces so that I could walk into a room, walk into a BOMA meeting and shake someone's hand and know them and have a rapport. And it worked. I was able to build some relationships, make some connections. I was eventually asked to join the communications committee and ended up actually chairing that committee. For me, BOMA has provided the environment to grow professionally, to make connections, and to learn about the industry and really make me a better property manager.
Being a part of the BOMA Young Professionals was a segue into me being a part of the mentorship program. That was just a great way for me to get involved and meet more people and be comfortable walking into a meeting and knowing someone that could really introduce me, and it has been a pivotal part of my success in the real estate industry because I was able to really connect with someone who was more seasoned, and I could see the enthusiasm and the drive that she had, and it really made me want that as a professional in the industry.